Alright, we're going to draw the screw slide block of the Trammel toy. So I've started the part. I'm going to make my new sketch. I'm going to draw down from the top. I like my top to say upright, so I'm going to put it this way. I'm going to do my rectangle. This bottom rectangle that I'm going to draw, the bottom one down here, we can see that it's 0.734 across, deep, and 1.75 across in width. What did I say there? 0.734. Okay, then we're going to finish that sketch. We're going to extrude that sketch. And then we want that to be 0.355. Okay, there's our piece. Now we're going to draw a new sketch on the top because we're going to draw that smaller bump on the top. I don't know why it always brings it in crooked like that. Draw a rectangle. We know it goes all the way from one side to the other, so I'm going to get on that edge. I'm going to go all the way across to the other side, and then it tells me from each side of that bottom larger one it's 0.141. So I'm going to use my dimension tool, bottom to the top, 0.141. Do the same down here on the other side, 0.141. Okay, we're going to finish that sketch. Now we're going to extrude this part. It doesn't really tell me that, but it tells me the overall is 0.844 and that is 0.355, so I'm going to do a subtraction. I'm going to let Inventor do it for me. 0.844 minus 0.355. And we have that block. Zoom in so I can see better what's going on. And then we got a chamfer off those edges. So got a chamfer. This says up here and it kind of got cut off, but it's 0.125 in both directions. That means it's 45 degree. So we're going to use this first one, and it's already at 0.125 as a default. So we're going to just click all those corners. And you can actually see through and just grab those corners like this, or you can rotate around and grab them. Oops, see, because I missed. No, I got that one right. And then say OK. And then we're good. And now we got to put that hole through it. It is an actual hole, so we're going to drill the hole 0.18 through. Sorry, mine got cut off, so I had to write it on there. So we're going to drill our hole, but we don't have a point. So first we're going to go put a point. And we want it in the center point of a loop of edges. Okay, so we're going to go this loop of edges here and put my point right there. Now I can drill my hole at that point on this face. And it's just a simple hole. It's going all the way through, and it is 0.18. Okay, so now we have our hole going all the way through. Now if you notice at the bottom, it's a hex. That's why they had to show the bottom here. And that bottom goes up just a little bit. There, so we're going to go around to the bottom side. We're going to draw a new sketch on here. We're going to put a hex. So we're going to go polygon. We want 6-sided. That's good. We're going to start it on this center point here. We're going to drag it out. We don't know how big yet, so we're just going to drag it out and drop it there. We're done with that. It is 0.202 across, and it's 0.25 from the top edge. And it looks like it's parallel this side with the end. So that's what I'm going to do first. I'm going to parallel this side with the end to line it up correctly. Then I'm going to dimension from here to there. And it says that should be 0.25. Okay. And then we should go across from side to side. It looks like from here to there. This is 0.202. And I think we have everything we need there. Oh, we got to tell how far from the end. 0.774 from this side to this end. 0.774. Okay, now it is done, constrained. We're going to finish that sketch. We're going to extrude that. We're going to cut it back in. I think it's 0.3. We're cutting that one. And then we're going to say OK. Mine got cut off again. It's over there, I believe how deep that is. Oh, no, it's right there. It's 0.255. I messed that up. Let's go fix it. Look, here's an example of how to fix things. So we edit feature. I made that mistake on purpose, of course, just so I could show you how to fix things. And change that to 0.255. Okay, and now I believe we're done. It looks just like we're supposed to have. So we're going to hit save.